How to achieve higher energy levels. One of the most dominant factors related to wellness is energy level. Nothing makes you feel older than not having the energy to be happy and productive in your everyday life. Fatigue is a huge drain on well-being, which is absolutely dreadful. One reason why we feel more tired when we get older is because of declining human growth hormone levels. Most people think of human growth hormone with concern regarding growth and development, but HGH plays a massive, widespread role in general human metabolism because it influences and enhances cellular metabolism. When HGH levels drop too low, this affects many physiological functions related to metabolism and perception of energy level. Age-related human growth hormone deficiency is an issue that every person will deal with at some point in their lives, if they live long enough. That's because the natural pattern of HGH production through the lifespan follows roughly the same path for every individual. HGH levels spike during puberty to facilitate growth, remain high during early adulthood to promote optimal function, then fall slowly from around the age of 20 for the rest of the lifespan. Most people produce slightly more HGH than they need when they are in early adulthood, so it can be many years before symptoms of human growth hormone deficiency begin to manifest themselves. This generally occurs in the 40s or 50s, but can happen earlier or later due to lifestyle factors and genetics. The period when HGH deficiency becomes problematic is known as somatopause. As we've implied, many symptoms associated with somatopause are related to the body's ability to energize itself. One of the reasons why declining HGH levels cause fatigue is because it interferes with your body's ability to convert body fat into usable calories. Your body's fat-burning potential decreases, which not only makes you more tired, but it makes you more likely to be overweight. It's a vicious cycle. This also means that when you consume calories, less of those calories will be burnt, and more will be converted into body fat. The double whammy of low energy and poor metabolism can lead to rapid weight gain if left unchecked. HGH injections help maintain optimal cellular metabolism and ward off fat. The best weight loss and health results come from a combination of normalizing HGH levels and taking active steps to lose weight. One of the keys to energy and vitality is oxygen bioavailability. Another way that human growth hormone helps increase and improve energy levels is by enhancing lean muscle mass, which not only increases strength and mobility, but it also improves the body's ability to absorb and circulate oxygen. This allows you to work out harder and longer, and also allows you to keep up a good, strong pace in your day-to-day activity. For younger patients, increased HGH levels can lead to improved performance at the gym and shorter downtime after workouts. Human growth hormone helps heal the body after you've gone through a period of exertion, both meaning that your body builds more muscle more quickly and that the body needs less time to experience complete recovery. There's nothing more frustrating than not being able to take advantage of the opportunities that life provides for you. Fatigue is such an abstract health issue, which is caused by a litany of different factors. For patients with HGH deficiency, bioidentical human growth hormone shots can tackle a number of the various issues which directly contribute to lack of energy, thereby improving quality of life. If you've been feeling molded to the couch or have trouble getting out of bed, the cause may be somatopause. With bioidentical hormone treatments with HGH or Sermorelin, you can overcome the sullying influence of HGH deficiency and start the next chapter of your vastly improved life. As you can clearly see, human growth hormone therapy can be a boon to energy levels for individuals that suffer from age-related HGH deficiency. Boosting IGF-1 and human growth hormone levels produce a variety of other benefits for needy patients as well. Restoring HGH balance not only enhances energy and reduces fatigue, but it also encourages improved circulation and blood composition, and aids in the maintenance of healthy cholesterol levels while normalizing lipid concentrations in the bloodstream. There is some evidence that these benefits can mitigate the risk of stroke and heart attack. Human growth hormone can also encourage an improved muscle-fat ratio, both by increasing lean muscle mass and reducing body fat, especially around the hips, waist, and thighs. HGH plays a central role in facilitating the rejuvenative systems of the human body as well. HGH deficiency is associated with both more frequent illness and longer bouts of sickness, while also leading to longer recovery time from injuries like bruises and cuts. There is even substantial evidence that HGH therapy can repair damaged joints, leading to reduced irritation and pain from issues like arthritis. If you'd like to learn more about the effects of HGH, our hormone specialist can discuss details in greater depth and provide further resources. You can look at the link in the description to this video. Don't let human growth hormone deficiency and somatopause be a suppressive factor in your life. There's no reason to live with declining energy levels, fatigue, and the myriad other factors related to impaired wellness that are largely the result of HGH deficiency. Our clinic specializes in hormone restoration techniques, such as bioidentical HGH therapy, testosterone replacement, and sermorelin acetate treatments, all designed to amplify your hormone levels and return your body to a state of hormonal equilibrium. We have highly qualified and board-certified hormone specialists available for free consultation, and we can arrange an appointment with a physician in your local area if you are interested in hormone screening. We provide affordable human growth hormone plans from pharmacies that specialize in modern HRT treatments. We work with our patients to create a custom-tailored HRT plan designed to combine 21st century hormone treatments with diet, exercise, and lifestyle programs to help our patients get the best possible results. Thank you for watching.